So today we're highlighting the Mini Miss Jamaica Heritage Queen National Competition. And here to tell us more is founder of the Mini Miss Jamaica Heritage Queen Competition, Damien Duckett. And he's brought some beautiful young ladies with him. Hi, Damien. How are you?
Miss Harris, I'm fine, thank you.
Tell me a little bit about the competition.
All right. First and foremost, I must say condolences to the family of TVJ, Ardra Communication Group. So Mini Miss Jamaica Heritage Queen started last year. And so what we have is that each parish has a production. And so from that production, each queens are selected to represent their parish in the national finals.
I love it. So what are we looking for when we say Mini Miss Heritage?
So what we're looking for is that young ladies who is separated and stand out from everybody else, who knows what Jamaican culture means to her as a Jamaican. And so you would have known also, been through the National Festival Queen competition. So this is a replica, mini Festival Queen competition.
So young fest queens in training.
Young festival queen in training. So what we do, we put them through rigorous training, you know, question and answer, Jamaican heritage, and so to see where they are as it relates to their heritage as Jamaicans.
Yeah, I noticed as well that there is a leadership component that you're looking for other things as well.
Yes, we are. The young lady who is going to be walking away with this title, other than cash prizes, we do, she's going to be a ambassador for the organization. So she will appear at various events that is age appropriate, and she will wear that ambassadorship for the rest of the time.
I love it. What age group?
So the young ladies are ages 7 to 12 years old.
Yeah. So tell me, when will they be selected? And on all of that, when do we know who the winner is?
All right. So on the 28th of December, we are going to be having that crowning at Ocherias High School, and gates are open at 7 o'clock. Tickets prices, $3,000 at the gate to $1,500. $2,000 for ticket, $3,000 at the gate. Children, $1,500, and children 6 and under free.
All right, so there are 13 delegates this morning. We're short of 2, but we understand. So we're going to meet them, and I'm starting with Miss St. Anne. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Name? Tell me, you are Miss St. Anne?
Yes, I am. My name is Anika Hilton, and I am the reigning queen for the Mini Miss St. Anne Heritage Queen competition.
What school do you go to?
I go to the Oracabessa Primary School.
Lovely. Miss Hannah, what?
My name is Kajane Martin, and I am from the beautiful parish of Hanover.
That is it. And what school do you go to?
I attend the Mannings High School.
The Mannings High School. Miss Kingston and St. Andrew.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Honora Brown, and I am the reigning Mini Miss Kingston and St. Andrew. I attend the prestigious Campion College.
Oh, come on, girl. Talk about it. There you go. And you are?
Mini Miss St. Elizabeth Heritage Queen. My name is Alexia Japa, and I am from the beautiful Breadbasket Parish of St. Elizabeth, and I attend the Bishop Gibson High School for Girls.
Come on, girl.
Good morning. My name is Abril Cornaldi. I am the reigning queen for the Mini Miss Trelawney Heritage Queen pageant. I attend the wonderful institution of Montego Bay Preparatory School.
Love it. Miss St. James?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ryan Davis Thomas. I attend the Mount Alvernia Preparatory School and Kindergarten, and I represent the beautiful parish of St. James.
Wow, Portland.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shade Anderson. I am the reigning queen of Portland, and I attend the prestigious Titchfield High.
Come on, girl. Good morning.
Good morning, Jamaica. I am Athena White, the reigning Mini Miss St. Mary Heritage Queen, and I attend the Tree Hills Primary School.
St. Mary she come from. Westmoreland.
Good morning, everyone. I am Teresa Taylor. I attend the Grange Hill Primary School in 6th grade, and I am here to represent my wonderful parish, Westmoreland.
There you go. St. Catherine.
Good morning, everyone, especially wonderful viewers who are watching. My name is Yolanda Stevenson, the reigning Mini Miss St. Catherine Heritage Queen, and the school that I attend is Crystal House, Jamaica.
Wow. And Miss St. Thomas.
Good morning, my fellow Jamaicans.
See, dear?
I am Brianna Gale, Mini Miss St. Thomas Heritage Queen 2025. I attend the Yalas Primary School.
No. I'm nervous. Like, I don't know how the judges are going to decide who the winner is, Damien. They're all so bright.
And I must say a big thanks to the parents and the director. But before, I want to say we are also endorsed by JCDC. So we have been adopted by the commission. And so we want to say a big thanks to them, because this is Product Jamaica.
Yes.
One of the reasons why I really started this is that there are so many persons who are doing pageants for children, but they have no idea of a format. And so I came into this because persons were, doing swimwear for little girls who are 12. And I'm like, no, we need to showcase their talent, their intelligence, and their worth as little girls. So we maintain the competition for the children.
There you go. And let me tell you, I'm so proud of them. My pageant coach would be so proud of you ladies because you're all standing in your thirds. Yay! I love it. Thank you, Damien.
You are welcome. So for today, we are having...
Damien, we have to go talk fast.
Today we are having a lot of tours. We're going to visit the Parliament, and we're having lunch at Triple Z restaurant. So thank you. And thanks to all the sponsors, and big up all the directors and the parents. Thank you, Jamaica.
Thank you, Jamaica. Parliament, you're going to love them when them come. I see some MPs right here. Founder, Mini Miss Jamaica Heritage Queen Competition, Damien Duckett, and the beautiful parish representatives. Our fun stop is up next. We'll soon come.